Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be an unboxing. So if you have not checked out the video of the unboxing of this cute little Dooney Bourke Florentine leather small hattie in the color salmon, I will leave a link below so you can check out my first impressions as well as some of the other smaller details. I also have a what fits in my hattie, and I will also leave that link below so you can check out how much of a punch this cute little bag really holds. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get into the box. So the reason I shared Miss Hattie today and why she is in the video, to see if it would be a nice pairing, and I am not 100% that it is going to work. And even if it doesn't, I'm still pretty excited to be able to have this color in my collection. So let's just see here. Here is how she came packaged. And you can already tell that this is an accessory item. And here is how it's packed. So here we have it. And as you can tell, it is a little wristlet. Okay, very, very pretty, just as I expected. So this is the ID wristlet in the Saffiano leather in the color coral. I know that it probably is not going to be a complete match because it is of a different type leather, but I think that it will suffice. So anyway, let's just take off some of the wrapping. And it does come with a braided zipper pull, so adorable. My daughter has these to carry her driver's license and her debit card in, and she absolutely loves it. She has one in Caribbean blue and also in the yellow. So let's just see here. Let's just take all the tags off really quick because it is a keeper. And I did pick this up during the Memorial Day sale, so it was already on sale and I got an additional 20% off. So it was a very, very good deal. Okay guys, so let's go and take out the stuffing on the inside. And I plan to use this for my work badge and my work keys, and I might take the wristlet off, but I absolutely love these ID holders. So here we go. And it does have a little gusset on the side so you can stuff lots of cards and cash on the inside. You know what guys, let's do this. I brought along a couple of items. I brought along some cash, some coins. I don't put coins in my little purses here, but for the sake of the video, I brought along some coins, and then I also just have some cards here. So let's just take out this, and it does not have the little hole here where you can easily slide out your ID. So for me, this is going to be for work. So I'm not going to be sliding my card in and out all the time. And then here, if you wanted to slip another card there, and then even on the inside, if you wanted to put some cards in here. And guys, you can actually pretty much stuff this. This is just one card. I would say maybe at least 6 or 7 cards will comfortably fit in this little card case. And so if you wanted to add some coins, you can add some coins in there because again, it does have this gusset on the side where it won't bulk out as much. And you can also put your cash in here. I would consider this more like a catch-all. you know, if you just want to run some errands, or if you are at work and you just want to grab just something very light and something small just to head to lunch or anything like that. I think this is absolutely perfect. It also has a little detachable wristlet strap if you want to carry it as a wristlet. Very nice and cute. So this is actually perfect because you have the best of both worlds. You have it where you can use it as a wallet, and you also have it where you can use it as a little small, cute little wristlet. So guys, I also want to share with you the texture of Saffiano leather. A lot of you asked me about Saffiano leather, and I don't own many pieces in Saffiano leather. I do own mainly accessories. So I just wanted to give you a very quick close-up look of Saffiano leather. As you can see, it has a little of a cross grain look, which makes it very durable, and it has a scratchy like type texture, very, very durable. It's more of a structured type leather, so it doesn't bend and fold very easy. It's very, very structured. A very nice leather for someone who wants to be carefree and don't want to have to worry about scratches or all of the things that comes with some of the other leathers, such as the Florentine. So I just wanted to give you a closer look at the texture and the grain and pattern of Saffiano leather. So now let me just see if it passes the match test with my Hattie. Okay guys, let's see. Here is Miss Hattie, and here is the coral wristlet. So as you can see, this can easily, very easily be pulled off. It is almost a perfect match. I know sometimes with the Florentine and other leathers, you don't get quite a match, but in this case, I think I can pull this off. Absolutely love these little ID cases. So let me just share with you very quickly the item number in case you are interested in picking up one of these cute little card ID cases. Absolutely love it. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you have not checked out the unboxing as well as the what fits for this cute little small Hattie, then please check out the links below. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So as I always say, go out and get yourself a cute little Saffiano leather ID wristlet in any color, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.